Hi. Today there's a one big topic. It is about health. Because with all this pandemic and so many things are happening around, in horoscope, how do you check the health? For instance, this is what it happened. A person came, she said, my husband's Mercury period is going to start. You have to tell me how will this new period be? I said, your husband is Vrichika Lagna. It's going to be the 8th house transit, 8th house period or 8th Lord period. So there's going to be the health problems. She said, no, nothing like that is happening. He is hale and healthy. In fact, he's a doctor. So how can you tell me that he's going to have health issues? I said, fine. I always believe that planets will tell you properly. They are the agents of your future. So I kept quiet. Exactly after 3 months, she came back. She said, my husband is having swelling under the arm. Doctors are not able to find out what is the reason. I said, the 8th Lord period, it will be like that. With the start of the Mercury period, he started getting all this problem. I said, please do Dhanvantri. When you start to do the Dhanvantri, then slowly all the issues will get subside. At least you will get a solution for it. So she started doing the Dhanvantri Puja followed by Dhanvantri Havan. Slowly the issues subsided down. So when you are going to have 8th Lord Dasa, 12th Lord Dasa or 8th and 6th Lord Dasa Bhukti period, health issues is about to flare up. Similarly, a person came, she was having a start of a Rahu period. She was Tula Lagna, 8th house, the Rahu was in the 8th house. I simply said, okay, it is because of this 8th house Rahu, the Rahu period which has started. She is having the problems. So I started doing the rituals and slowly she started to feel that energy coming inside. So when you are going to start, when the new Dasa or Bhukti starts, if it is Rahu in 8th house is very, very detrimental. So the Dasa Bhukti which is in 6th and 8th house or the Dasa Bhukti of the 6th and 8th Lord will be very, very detrimental when it comes in terms of health. If the first would be the 8th Lord period, 6th Lord period, followed by 12th Lord period, and lesser would be the planets or the Dasa Bhukti if the planets are poised in 6th house, 8th house and 12th house. This is about the Dasa Bhukti. When it comes to transit, you have to really check if Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu goes into the 6th and 8th houses. Usually 6th house and 8th house triggers lot of health issues. The health issues will be very small. It will simply flare up. It will become big and the next stage you will never know the solution for it. This has happened for a Kanya Lagna person. Kanya Lagna, she came to me saying actually her sister came to me. She said that my sister is having lot of issues in the lung. It was just simply flaring up. We didn't know. Then I was just going into that horoscope. For her, it was like the Jupiter in the retrogression had gone into the 6th house. All her health issues started flaring up. So when the transits move into the 6, 8, 12 houses, the negative things of this health issue gets flared up. So the only way will be doing the rituals. So we did the ritual for her in terms of Ayush Homam, Dhanvantri Homam, Mahamrityunjaya Homam. Slowly the doctor was able to find out the reason. Her health started coming back to normal. The next issue, the health issue in the horoscope will also get triggered if it is connected with the event. Likewise, the person who came to me, she had got a new house and she wanted to do the Graha Pravesa. The moment the Graha Pravesa date got fixed, she had fallen sick. I checked the horoscope. The 4th Lord was in 6th house. I said, don't do the Graha Pravesa, just postpone. Let this time period get over and you can probably do it after that. So you also have to check the events. If there is the health and the events connected, then if you check the horoscope, you will get a clear cut answer. So, okay, fine, you have seen, you know, horoscope wise there's going to be a problem, there's going to be a health issues. So what we have to do? The easy way or the best way is to do the ritual. Mainly the Dhanvantari Homam, Ayush Homam, these two things will help you, because in the sickness, if it is small, if you are able to get the right doctor, right solution, the right hospital and the medicine working, it is fine. But sometimes in the bad Dasa Bhukti period and in the bad transit, getting the right doctor and the right hospital will be challenging. You will automatically go into the wrong alignment, especially wrong direction. So what happens is the health issue will simply trigger. So you have to do the rituals and also do the Dhanvantari Puja. So the right doctor, the right solution and the medicine working will happen. Because in my experience I have seen all these three things fumbling, which means the health issue will aggravate and you will not get a correct solution. It's simply the aggravation will happen. You will go from one hospital to another hospital, run from one doctor to another doctor. So without the ritual, it will be very difficult for you to clear the energy. So if you are having any health issues or you need a guidance regarding the health, please connect with me. I would check the horoscope. I would tell you what to do. But strangely, I have seen a person in the Lagna, the 6th and 8th Lord is there, or the Ascendant or the Lagna Lord in 6 and 8, 12 houses. They will simply think that they are always sick. It is called as hypochondriac. Mental projection, mental feeling. So that also can be the reason. So if you know to check the astrology properly, then you can really find out is it the health issue mentally created or the real health issue. If it is a real health issue, what to do to come out of it. If it is the mental health issue or the mental negative projection, then we will tell you to do the rituals. I have seen many a times that when we do the ritual, people with this mental fear that they will fall sick, that something will happen to them, all those negative openings or thoughts which is coming subside down. So friends, if you like the video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.